Today we're going to walk through an exam-style question about expansion tanks. The question asks which factors should be taken into consideration when installing an expansion tank. Four choices are given, and we'll analyze each one using the applicable rules. Now let's reason through the options visually and highlight which one matches the installation rule. We'll start by setting up the context with a simple heating boiler diagram. Remember, the expansion tank must match the maximum allowable working pressure, or MAWP, of the connected boiler system so that it will safely handle the system pressure. That means we look for the answer that references the MAWP. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B, the MAWP of the boiler system, because that ensures the tank can safely take the pressure the boiler will produce. The other choices do not relate to the pressure rating standard, and so they do not satisfy the rule. In summary, when choosing an expansion tank, always ensure the tank's pressure rating matches the system's maximum allowable working pressure. That's the factor that keeps the system safe and operating correctly,